The next topic is stages of combustion in SI engines. Um, I saw last year question paper. He was asked about explain the combustion process in SI engine. Both are same. No need to ask always stages. Combustion in SI engine means we have to explain about stages. In case of SA engine, we need to discuss two types of combustion processes. One is based on theoretical combustion and second one is on actual combustion. First of all, I discuss about theoretical combustion. This is the diagram of a theoretical combustion process in SA engine. See, all of you, this diagram is pressure crank angle diagram. On y-axis, I take pressure. On x-axis, crank angle, piston crank angle, connecting rod crank angle. See, there are three processes. AB is compression process, BC is combustion process, and CD is expansion process. I already discussed in the classroom, in theoretical engines, the combustion always takes place instantaneously. Instantaneous means exactly on TDC, the combustion process starts and ends. That indicates BC here. It is practically impossible due to some difficulties. I will explain later. So, this is theoretical combustion process. On TDC, pressure rapidly increases, suddenly increases due to combustion process. Along with pressure, temperature automatically increases. Now, what are the difficulties we have in theoretical cycle and what is actual combustion? I will discuss now. In actual combustion, before going to that, first of all, I need to discuss how does combustion start in actual cycle. In a classroom already I have discussed that air fuel mixture homogeneously prepared in carburetor from where it will be entered into engine cylinder. Once air fuel mixture is entered, at the end of the compression stroke the mixture is compressed and before going to reach TDC in the compression stroke, spark plug is introduced, spark inside the engine cylinder. When spark is introduced, some amount of heat is transferred to the air fuel mixture. Immediately, fuel takes that heat and reaches self ignition temperature and it is going to react with oxygen. Once reaction takes place, the combustion starts. Like that, combustion process will be started in SA engines. If you observe carefully, it is not instantaneous process because when spark is introduced in the engine cylinder, uh, that heat is transferred to fuel. It will take some time. After that, fuel reaches self ignition temperature and it is going to react with oxygen. Again, it will take some time. So it is not instantaneous process, it is time taking process. So due to this time taken, combustion will not follow on TDC. Somewhat little bit before TDC, we provide spark in the engine cylinder, then combustion will be started. If you observe these stages of combustion in SA engine, there are three types of stages are available. One is ignition lag stage, and second one is flame propagation stage, and third one is after burning stage. Three stages. See all of you, this is diagram of practical combustion process in SA engines. See all of you, A is the point where spark is introduced in the engine cylinder. Spark introducing point from spark plug. So from where heat is transferred to the mixer. It will take some time to generate flame. Already I told you some time will be taking. Due to the time taking, flame immediately will not generate. Some after certain amount of time period, flame starts. flame generates. That flame generating point is B, is which is indicated on slide. So the time period AB is called as ignition lag period. So A is a point of ignition, B is a point of combustion. The time period between point of ignition and point of combustion is called as ignition lag period. Once the flame is generated inside the engine cylinder, that flame is going to eat unburned charge what we have inside the engine cylinder. So the time period during the flame is going to eat in the engine cylinder is called as flame propagation stage. Flame propagation. Flame is going to spread the total engine cylinder. Flame propagation stage, which is indicated by process BC on the diagram. During this flame propagation, almost total amount of mixture will be burned by the flame. Flame is going to eat, total amount of mixture will be burned. Temperature and pressure increase rapidly. You can see in the slide, temperature and pressure value is rapidly increasing, along with pressure temperature also increases. So BC is flame propagation stage. So almost total amount of charge has burned. Still inside the cylinder we see some amount of unburnt particles, partially burnt particles. These particles will be burnt after flame propagation. That burning period is called as after burning period. Unburnt or partially burnt particles will be going for combustion. So these are three stages. AB is ignition lag, BC flame propagation, and CD is after burning.